good evening to all of you. So without wasting much time, we are the 2DB band, a three-piece band, and it's a pleasure to be part of this Miss Shillong. And yes, we'll be giving a short medley of some common songs. Hope you enjoy them, that are somewhat suitable for this occasion. Thank you. The other half of the sky. Woman, I can hardly express my mixed emotions and my thoughtlessness. After all, I'm forever in your debt. And woman, I will try to express my inner feelings and thankfulness for showing me the meaning of success. Ooh, I hope you understand the little child inside the man. Please remember my life is in your hands, and woman, hold me close to your heart. However distant, don't keep us apart. After all, it is written in the stars. I never meant to cause you sorrow and pain. So let me tell you again and again and again, I love you, yeah. Now and forever, I love now and forever. Overnight scenes, dinner and wine, Saturday girls. I was never in love, never had the time in my hustle and hurried world, laughing myself to sleep, waking up lonely. I needed someone to hold me. Oh, it's such a crazy old town. It can drag you down till you run out of dreams. So you party all night to the music and lights, but you don't know what happiness means. I was dancing in the dark with strangers, no love around me, when suddenly you found me. Oh, girl, you're every woman in the world to me. You're my fantasy, you're my reality. Girl, you're every woman in the world to me. You're everything I need, you're everything to me. Oh, girl. Everything good, everything fine, that's what you are. So put your hand in mine, and together we'll climb as high as the highest stars. I'm living the lifetime and every minute that we're together, and I'll stay right here forever. Oh, girl, you're every woman in the world to me. You're my fantasy, you're my reality. Girl, you're every woman in the world to me. You're everything I need, you're everything to me. Oh, girl. Girl, you're every woman in the world to me. You're my fantasy, you're my reality. Girl, you're every woman in the world to me. You're everything I need, you're everything to me. Girl, you're every woman in the world to me. You're my fantasy, you're my reality.